Okay, let's power through the rest. Question H. In the question, a and b are real numbers and a is non-zero. Non-zero. Okay, when the polynomial x squared minus 2ax plus a to the 4 is divided by x plus b, the remainder is 1. And next information, the polynomial bx squared plus x plus 1 has ax minus 1 as a factor. It follows that b equals how many? Okay, so you probably could have guessed that you have two pieces of information, right? So you would expect two equations, and indeed you have two variables, yeah, a and b, that you're trying to find. So that's the way to go. All right. So this is the factor theorem, I think. So let's use the first piece of information. When the polynomial is divided by x plus b, the remainder is 1. That means that when I sub in negative b, right, you try to make the factor 0, right? Then I get 1. Okay, so 1 equals negative b squared minus 2a negative b plus a to the 4, yeah, first equation. Okay, next guy, the polynomial bx squared plus x plus 1 has ax minus 1 as a factor. So again, you want to make the factor 0, so x has to be 1 over a. Jam that in, it should be 0, right, because it's a factor. So, oh, by the way, this should be called remainder theorem, right? Same idea, yeah? Remainder theorem. And then down here, this is the factor theorem. So this is sub in 1 over a, and you should get 0. Yep. So 0 equals b times 1 over a squared plus 1 over a plus 1. Okay, so now this is just an algebraic exercise. So how could I make this look nicer? Any ideas? Let's see. You can go lots of ways, right? But I'm trying to find the most efficient way. So I suppose fractions are really annoying, so I'm going to get rid of all those fractions first. So multiply the whole equation by a squared, yeah? Multiply the equation 2 by a squared. So 0 equals b plus a squared. Okay, that's nice, because then you get b equals negative a minus a squared. Then you sub it back into the first equation, then you get an equation only in a, right? Only in a. So 1 equals negative b, right? So this is a plus a squared, or squared, minus 2a, again negative b, so a plus a squared plus a to the 4. Okay, expanding. Can't do maths. What is this? 2a cubed plus a to the 4 minus 2a cubed minus 2a squared. I went the wrong way for some reason. So it should be minus 2a squared minus 2a cubed, yeah? But it's the same thing. Plus a to the 4. Okay, so what is this? So this is 2a to the 4 minus a squared. Fine. Minus 1, of course, equals to 0. How do I factorize this? 2a squared, and of course I'm nearly out of space. 2a squared, minus 1 plus 1. So a squared can't be a negative number, of course, yeah? A squared can't be a negative number, so I only care about this guy. So a squared equals to 1, a equals plus or minus 1. So if a is 1, then b is negative 2. If a is negative 1, then b is 0. Yeah? Okay, good. So in that case, let's search for the correct answer. So b is 0, negative 2. So the answer is option B. There we go.